So our next topic is video addition is commutative in nature. What does that mean? It means vector addition means we are adding two things. If we take the case of two vectors, that is a vector and b vector, so the addition a plus b will be equivalent to b plus a. Let's start this. For this we have taken a vector and b vector, two vectors. They are taken along the two sides of the parallelogram, and what will be the resultant? That will give you the diagonal, which will be equivalent to a plus b vector. Now, as you know, OP and OQ are the sides of the parallelogram, and OPSQ represents a vector and b vector. COP, that is a vector, and this is OQ, that is b vector, and this is the sides of the parallelogram OPSQ, and it represents a vector and b vector. Now what will be our if we apply parallelogram law, what will be our resultant? That will be, we'll do AOP plus OQ, that will be equivalent to OS vector. Now what will be the value of OP? The OP is a vector, OQ is b vector, and it will be OS. So from here we get a vector plus b vector is equal to OS, and give it number 1. Now as we know this thing, that OP is equal to QS. This is OP, this is QS. Both are equal and both are parallel. If both are equal and parallel, it means QS is equal to OP. That will be same, because that is the sides of the parallelogram. Both are equal and parallel. So we can write it as a vector. So now let us take a triangle OQS. This is O, this is Q, this is S, and apply triangle law of vector addition. According to the triangle law of vector addition, b vector plus a vector, because two vectors are taken in the same order, and this is the third closing side which is taken in the opposite order, that is OQ vector plus QS vector, it will give you OS vector. So this will be b vector plus a vector, it is equivalent to OS vector. So now what is OQ? That is b vector. What is QS? That is a vector. So we get b vector plus a vector is equal to OS vector. So b vector plus a vector is equal to OS vector. Give it number 2. Now this is number 1. This is number 2. From 1 and 2, what we find it? We conclude that we are having the same value OS and OS. Now compare 1 and 2, will get a plus b is equal to b plus a. Hence vector addition is commutative in nature. Our next topic is we have to prove that vector addition is associative in nature. Now how we will prove? For this we will do it with the help of polygon law of vector addition. What we will do in the polygon law of vector addition, we have taken, if we are having vectors more than 2 vectors, we use the polygon law. All vectors we will take in a same order, and the resultant will be taken in the opposite order. Like I have 3 vectors, a vector, b vector, c vector. It is aligned along the vector OP. This is the tail, this is the head, then PQ, arrow is going towards Q, then Q to S, arrow is going towards S. So A vector, B vector, C vector, they are taken in same order, and the resultant will be taken in the opposite order, and it will be represented by R vector. Now there is a construction part, join PS and OQ, and we'll apply triangle law of vector addition there, turn by turn. Now firstly we will use the triangle law of vector addition in triangle OPQ. Now if these two vectors are taken in same order, the resultant will be taken in the opposite order, which will be equivalent to the sum of these two. It means OQ vector will give you the sum of OP plus PQ. See here, OQ is equal to OP plus PQ, that will be A plus B. Now let's take another triangle OQS, OQ then S. Now in this vector OQ and QS vector, they are taken in the same order, and resultant is taken in the opposite direction. So what will be the resultant? A plus B plus C. So here I have written OS vector is equal to OQ plus QS, and what is OQ? I have written in a bracket, A plus B plus, then C is a separate one, so this is plus C. Give it number 1. Now take the triangle PQS. This is P, this is Q, this is S. Now see which two vectors are in same order. P to Q, Q to S. It means B plus C will be equivalent to this PS. So PS vector will be equivalent to B plus C. Now take another triangle, that is OPS. This is O, this is P, and this is S. Now see which two vectors are in same order. O to P, then P to, see the direction. These are in same order, like this is in this side direction and this is going upward. Both are taken in same order. A plus B plus C in bracket, and this will give you the resultant. So OS is equal to OP plus PS. What is the value of OP? OP, this is A vector. What is the value of PS? B plus C. Put it in bracket. So this is your number 2. Now this is the value of OS. This is the value of OS. Compare these two. We will get A plus B in single bracket plus C is equivalent to A vector plus B plus C in the same vector again.